Did you know that you can use Gliffy to add diagrams to your Jira issues? It's really easy. All you need to do is when you're on an issue, click this ... up here and click Add Gliffy Diagram. This opens a panel so that you can select your type of diagram you'd like to make. You can pick from templates as well. And then click Create, and it will jump you into a canvas so that you can make your own diagram. You can drag and drop in a few shapes to build out whatever type of diagram you're looking for. Click Save, give your diagram a name, and exit. And it will add this diagram here right within all the details on your open ticket. This is super easy, and the Gliffy diagramming app is easy to use with all those drag and drop shapes, but it is powerful enough to support technical diagramming like UML or cloud architectures. So regardless of the scale or the level of technical detail your idea is, you can capture it with Gliffy right here in your Jira ticket for everyone to reference. Now that you know how to add a diagram in Jira, check out the links in our video description for more specific diagramming tutorials, such as how to make a class diagram in Gliffy. This will allow you to capture all your ideas and add it immediately to the ticket for your team to see. If you're not using Confluence or Jira, you can also check our video description for a link to try Gliffy online, which is our easy-to-use standalone diagramming application. Happy diagramming!